Welcome to Courtyard Bali Seminyak Resort. The property is located on the island of Bali, Indonesia. The resort is in Seminyak, one of Bali's most popular areas known for its beaches, trendy cafes, restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. Courtyard Bali Seminyak Resort opened in 2014 with 290 rooms across 6 floors. This is the entrance of the resort where there is a security checkpoint. Adjacent are transportation services and the concierge desk. This is the lobby. To the left is the business center and front desk. This is the business center. It has a nice couch, a meeting room, and 2 computers. Moving past the lobby, this is the courtyard, the centerpiece of the resort. The courtyard starts with a nice green lawn, stone walkway, and some shaded lounge chairs. On Wednesday and Saturday evenings, this area is converted into a dinner buffet with live entertainment. This is the first level of the pool and the poolside bar. Both are open daily from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. There is more pool bar seating just outside the pool. This is the second, lower level of the pool where there's plenty of shaded lounge chairs. At the end of the courtyard there are some poolside showers, a waiting area, the third level of the pool, some lounge chairs in the second level of the pool, and a fountain. Behind me is a bulletin of scheduled activities at the kids club. This is the kids club, which is for children from 4 to 12 years of age. I believe children younger than 4 are required to be accompanied by an adult. This is a 1-bedroom suite poolside access room. There is a slot for your room key to power the room. Behind that is the dining area, which has a dining table with seating for 3 and a counter with bottles of water, glasses, and an assortment of teas and coffee, and a coffee machine. The cabinet contains a mini fridge, drinkware, and a water boiler. Manager Eka generously provided us Balinese snacks, chocolates, and a letter as a welcome gift. Thank you, Eka. To the left is the living room, which has a lounge chair, a couch, a coffee table, and a wall-mounted TV. There is a patio area with a couch and direct access to the pool. Oh, if you were wondering about the privacy in the poolside access suite, yes, people outside can definitely see into your room. Moving back inside. This is the bedroom, which has a king-size bed, a lounge chair, a work desk, and a view of the pool. There is a wall-mounted TV in the bedroom too. Between the bedroom and the bathroom is a closet area with 2 robes, 2 sets of flip-flops, and a safe. This is the bathroom, and it is incredibly modern and clean. It has a single sink vanity and many bathroom amenities. On the left is the shower, which has a rainfall and a handheld shower head. Bath products are by Nerve Botanicals. Opposite the shower is the toilet. That is the 1-bedroom suite poolside access room. One more view of the very nice suite. One more thing, I like the minimalist white power buttons. This is the entrance to Zanti, the hotel spa, and the gym. The spa is on the left, which is open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. This is the spa menu. All services are very reasonably priced, especially given that this spa is at a nice resort. A 2-hour Balinese massage is about $60 per person or $100 per couple. Yoga, Pilates, and strength training classes are $25 per person or $40 for a couple. Hour massages range from $30 to $43 per person. All really good value offerings. Opposite the spa is the gym, which is always open. They have plenty of cardio machines, free weights in the back, a stationary bike, rowing machine, and some exercise balls. There is water and towels along the leftmost wall. Back in the lobby, there is a staircase that leads to the second floor where you can find Seminyak Kitchen, the resort's sole restaurant. Seminyak Kitchen is open daily and offers a breakfast buffet in the morning and an a la carte lunch and dinner menu. This was filmed during the breakfast buffet, where they have 3 main sections. The leftmost section, closest to the entrance, has a juice bar and a shelf with cereal and grains. On the left side of the middle section, there's a counter with Asian dishes that change every day, a counter with Indian food, and a noodle bar. The front portion of this section has an omelet station. The right side has Western food such as crepes, egg dishes, potatoes, beef and chicken sausage, bacon, waffles, French toast, and pancakes. The rightmost table has Western pastries, Indonesian pastries that change daily, and a salad bar. I was very impressed with Seminyak Kitchen's breakfast buffet. At $14, it was a really good value. Guests with Marriott Platinum status or higher can choose daily food and beverage credits as a welcome gift, which can be redeemed for the breakfast buffet. Courtyard Bali Seminyak Resort offers free shuttle rides to 4 designated drop-off areas, 2 within Seminyak, 1 at Seminyak Beach, and the last at Double Six Beach. To request a ride, simply ask the concierge and they will gladly drop you off at the designated spots. They also offer a pickup service from Double Six Beach at 12 p.m., 2 p.m., and 4 p.m. This is the designated pickup area. It is marked by 2 Courtyard Bali Seminyak Resort signs. They have portable maps if you want to reference drop-off and pickup locations. Another nice amenity, the resort has extremely affordable rental bikes. Okay, time for ratings. I give the 1-bedroom suite poolside access room a 5. This room is incredibly spacious, clean, comfortable, and functional. The room has a full living room and dining area, plenty of comfortable seating, a nice bathroom, and direct access to the resort pool, a rare hotel room feature. I give the amenities a 4. The resort has a very picturesque, multi-level swimming pool with a pool bar, a spa, a gym, 1 restaurant, offers a dinner buffet twice a week, a kids playroom, a convenient shuttle service, and affordable rental bikes. I give the intangibles a 5. Courtyard Bali Seminyak Resort's location is good because it is within walking distance of popular beaches and is surrounded by trendy cafes, restaurants, spas, stores, and nightclubs. I want to caveat that a good location in Bali is subjective because specific regions have specific attractions that appeal different types of travelers. Seminyak and Kuta are ideal for those that like the beach, trendy eateries, nightlife, want more budget-friendly offerings, and don't mind crowds. Ubud is ideal for those that want to be closer to culturally significant sites and nature, whereas Uluwatu and Nusa Dua are better for those that like a more secluded island atmosphere. Amidst the lively party scene of Seminyak, the Courtyard Bali Seminyak Resort felt like a tranquil oasis, and I greatly appreciated it. A point to the resort for the positive theming. Lastly, I believe the Courtyard Bali Seminyak Resort deserves a 5 for intangibles because of the excellent service. Hotel personnel were all polite, helpful, and very kind. A special thanks to Eka, who truly went above and beyond to make our stay at Courtyard Bali Seminyak Resort unforgettable. Eka emailed us the day before we arrived to confirm our reservation and room type, personally assisted us with check-in, and left a thoughtful handwritten welcome letter in our room, which I still have. Eka kindly notified us that she would be taking a day off at the beginning of our stay, but would be back for the remainder of our stay. Upon our return, Eka was helpful as always, helping us at Seminyak Kitchen and helping me film B-roll on the roof. I'm not the only one that feels this way. There are tons of positive reviews on TripAdvisor praising Eka's outstanding service. Thank you again, Eka. Everything you did for us was deeply appreciated and you made our stay truly special. Moving on to cash value. Cash prices for the 1-bedroom suite poolside access room are typically $250 per night. At that price, I give a 5 for cash value, which represents excellent value. Award prices for the 1-bedroom suite poolside access room are typically 50,000 Marriott points per night. At that price, I give a 5 for points value, which represents excellent value. I highly recommend booking with cash or points. I want to quickly rate the guest room, the resort's base room. I give the room a 4 because it is modern, clean, functional, has comfortable seating, and a nice bathroom. A very nice base room. The amenities and intangibles are the same as with the 1-bedroom suite poolside access. Cash prices for the guest room are typically $150 per night, and award prices are typically 30,000 Marriott points per night. I give a 5 for cash value and points value as I think both represent excellent value. I highly recommend booking with either cash, points, or 35,000 point anniversary certificates. In summary, Courtyard Bali Seminyak Resort is an oasis in a lively district that offers a wide range of amenities and excellent service at a very reasonable price. I highly recommend making a reservation if you visit Seminyak. That is all for my review of Courtyard Bali Seminyak Resort. Thanks for joining.